Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to show you guys a package I received from Paperhouse. As you guys know, I became a designer early this week, so I'm going to be promoting them on my social media and of course my channel. And yeah, so I wanted to share with you my package. We got to pick out the stuff that we wanted, and with Paperhouse, you guys, I thought that it would be fun because they are known for like a lot of planning stuff and stickers, and yet they do have a lot of paper and stuff like that, but I do enjoy their stickers. They are one of my favorites. I always pick them up at Michael's, so I am a huge fan. But I saw that they were going to be doing a collaboration with Mommy Lay, and I love her stuff. So cute, all her little girls. So I decided that when it comes to my Paperhouse design team projects, I want to do a layout. I want to get into doing a layout for them and posting it once a week on my Instagram, and maybe showing you guys on here. Depends. I haven't decided if I want to do it on my channel, maybe just on my Instagram. But I thought that it would be fun to kind of like set up my week, because you guys know that I am part of many design teams, so sometimes I need to have a schedule. And I think that now I can actually use a planner, because if you guys don't know, I used to plan back in the day and I was totally into it. I was into the traveler's notebook, I was into the planning, but I just wasn't doing enough. I wasn't working, I was staying at home at that time. But now I'm working, and now I have all these design teams, and I have somewhat of a busy life than I did back when I started planning in 2016. So I want to show you guys one planner that I made, handmade. I used to even subscribe to the Planner Society, and I used to get the kits every month and make my own traveler's notebook. Here's one that I created, and it's kind of like with this acetate paper. And then I'll show you guys a quick little flip through. I still have like all the kits inside of the traveler's notebook. I would decorate it with cute clips and stuff. Let me see. The only thing, here's a cute little die cuts that I still have. The pockets that came with the kit. Some stickers. I would put cute little pens on it. Here's more stickers that used to come in the kit. Even the little girl stamp. So cute. But yeah, you guys, I used to make these all the time. I have a little shelf filled with them. So I'm thinking that as far as my Paperhouse design team, I'm going to be doing a layout every week for them. And possibly a project here and there. It all depends on how it goes. But let me show you guys what I got. So I did get the sticker book from Paperhouse and Mommy Lay collaboration. And you guys, it is so cute. I'm going to flip through it so you guys can see it. So many cute oh, I skipped one. So many cute stickers. Isn't this super adorable? I love the colors. So me. Look at that. And you don't only have to use them for planners. You can use them on your projects, you guys. And do, like I said on my previous video, you can put white cardstock behind them, make them into die cuts. Look at that. Washi tape. And you guys, I used to go in on my little planner setup. So I'm going to be excited to be doing that for at least once a week, just to show what I'm going to do, or once every other week. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to do it, but we will see. I like that I'm doing different things, not just sticking to one, because my audience likes multiple things. Not only crafting, they like planning, they like scrapbooking. So I would like for you guys to be able to find a little bit of everything in my channel. I'm open to trying out everything, you guys. Scrapbooking, planning, just not full-blown planning, because that's just, I don't find that very interesting to continue to do it. Like to do videos on planning and stuff like that, that's not me. So we got some more stickers. These are some cute little fall ones, and these are in the book as well, so I might do a hidden giveaway with these two. Stay tuned for that. Keep watching, and I might end up doing a hidden giveaway for these stickers for all you planner ladies. I also did get some washi tape from Mommy Lay. How cute is this one? This one's called the Blush. I think it was called Blush something. So pretty. I think I'm gonna make some vellum rosettes with these. Super cute. I also got this cute little Chinese box, like Chinese food box, and it has some stickers. It's just like a cute little roll, and it's the 90s. I love me some 90s stickers. So you just get like cute little stickers that you can share in some happy mail. So I picked this out to give to a friend in some happy mail. I love the little packaging. It's so cute. Stickers to go. I'll save the planner for last. You guys, I picked up a bunch of Wonder Woman goodies, and I'm so excited about these because I have to find some more stuff so that I can make, I'm thinking about making like a tag flip. I think it's so cute. I got some stickers, some enamel stickers. They look like this. I got these cute little puffy clips. I also got the washi. And then these cardstock stickers. Who does not love Wonder Woman? Wifey is so jealous over these. She's like begging me to give them to her. And here are my 12 by 12 sheets. I got this one. This is what it looks on the opposite side. Love this gold foiling one. Look at that, you guys. And then we have this one. So I might make some handmade cards. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with it. You're just gonna have to stay tuned and wait for those project share videos. But yeah, you guys, those are my goodies from Paper House. But let me show you the planner now. Now this is a collaboration between Mommy Lay and Paper House, and it's beautiful, you guys. It says Hustle and Heart. It's sturdy. It's kind of like a happy planner, and this is what it looks like. So it's non-dated. You could date it whenever you want. I love all the quotes. There's a pocket here. Look how pretty. So you could date it whenever you want. I like when the planners do that because you're not set on a year, so then you don't have to toss it. So that's always good. Look how cute, you guys. I love her art. It's so cute. Yeah, this one says hello with a little girl behind the circle. And then this one says, hey babe, you got this. How cute is that? Gold digger. Love it. A little ampersand sign. She made it happen. I love it. So motivational. Plan a beautiful life. How cute, with a little blanket. Slay and stay fabulous. We got this beautiful, it has little gold foiling on it, if you can see that. Little dots are gold. Oops. And then the last one, I think, is Girl Boss. Also another pocket. And then you get some stickers, of course. Let me show you guys. She has a cute little dedication right here. And then the sticker sheets. So you get a decent amount of stickers. I love that the ring binder right here is gold. We get some holidays clear with gold foiling. Some washi tape. And that's the back, and it says Life Organized, Paper House, and Mommy Lay. I love it, you guys, and I cannot wait to start using it and just keep it on my desk so that I know what's due, what day of the week or what day of the month. So this is gonna be amazing. But yeah, you guys, stay tuned for a secret giveaway in one of my videos so that one of you can win one of these little packets of stickers. And thank you guys so much for watching. Check out all the items that I mentioned in this video on the down bar, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.